How to download and install YouTube app on phone. So if you want to download and install YouTube app on your phone, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to just go with your Play Store. So open up your Play Store, and here you need to go with search, which is on the bottom, and go with the search bar, and you can search for YouTube. After searching for YouTube, here you will have the application, right? So in my case, I've already installed the application, but if you've not installed the application, then you will have the install button. So you can simply tap on install button, which will be right here on the right side, or you will have it on the middle of your screen. You can just simply tap on install and it will start the installing process. It might take a few seconds or a few minutes to download depending on your data, your Wi-Fi connection, and after that it will be installed. You can go with open once it's installed, and you can sign in to your account or create an account, and you'll be able to use your YouTube. So that's how you can install YouTube. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.